Alright guys, now this is to do with the Renogy 20 amp DC to DC charger. I'll just show you that. Okay, so the problem we've had was no green light. Checked the earth, checked the van earths, checked all the battery earths, checked all the power, checked the continuity like it says in the very vague instruction book. No avail, no green light. 14 volts at the D plus switch live, still no green light. We managed to get some juice back in the lithium battery from the solar panel, but nothing else was happening from the DC to DC charger end. Looked online, looked on the YouTube videos, everyone's going check the earth, check you got the switch live, check this, check that, check the other. We did all that, zilch. Everything was working as it should, apart from the DC to DC charger. So in all my wisdom, I decided there's screws on the back of this. I'm going to take it apart and have a look inside, see if anything's gone pop, smells burnt or anything like that. Couldn't smell nothing out of the ordinary, so I took it apart. Here we are. Right, basically Phillips screws in the corner. Hang on, let me turn that flash off. Okay, Phillips screws in the corner, each end. Okay, just undo all those, flip it over. 6 screws. Okay, pop it all off. Okay, just slide the ends off, and then just fiddling about a little bit. Obviously I'm trying to do this with one hand. Okay, slide it out, flip it over, and right there on the input side, 2 fuses. Okay, these are new because I've replaced these, but originally the blown ones, I don't know where the blown ones have gone. Okay, they were both blown basically anyway. Fingers crossed, we don't know why they've blown, we didn't hear them blow. All we done was connected it all up, tested it, zilch, no power, nothing. So just bear in mind that if you have a bad earth or you touch a pos, anything like that, get that case open, check your fuses. Okay, hope this helps you all. Renogy, nightmare. You ask them, they want a video, they want to see this, they want to see that. Why they couldn't just say, open the case, there's some fuses internally, check the fuses. Or in the book they could do the same thing. So anyway, that's all. Take care and good luck.